Okay, so there are, as well as using tables or formulas, you can use, many companies have apps available to calibrate or to get the settings for your sprayer. So I just have some examples here. So from different companies, Hardy, Kuhn, Leckler, Argon. So if we just take a look at the Kuhn app here, so I open it up, it's looking for the treatment. So if I just touch on treatment here, first question that comes up, I need to set my desired application rate. So how much I want to put out per hectare, so litres per hectare. If I want to put out 150 litres per hectare, I'm going to adjust that setting. The next thing I need to adjust is my forward speed. So if I've calibrated that my tractor is working at 11 kilometers per hour, I'll adjust my forward speed to that. Then you can make adjustments for the wind that you're dealing with, and that will just adjust the nozzles that it's offering you that are suitable to work in that type of wind speed. Underneath then we just have a whole list of different nozzle types that are available that would meet those requirements. So if I take a look at the bottom one here, LU, and you can see that they're suggesting that there's two nozzles which would be suitable for the desired output and speed that we're looking for. You can see there it's telling you to select either one of the nozzles, and it's also telling us that the flow rate from the nozzle needs to be 1.38 litres per minute. So if I just click on the O3 nozzle, okay, the blue nozzle here, it's showing me that my treatment pressure, so my sprayer pressure needs to be set to 3.9 bar in order to get 1.38 litres per minute. It's also telling me what type of speed, so this is a nozzle is suitable for low wind speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour, and the range of pressure that it's suitable for. And also down here you can see that it's this nozzle has angle of spray of 120 degrees, and the recommended boom height for that is 60 to 70 centimeters. If we go back and we just take a look at the O4 nozzle here, so if I select it, you can see the nozzle output, you can see is still the same, it's 1.38 litres per minute, but the actual spray pressure is 2.2 bar in order to achieve that with an O4 nozzle. So we can use that information then to do our calibration. So we'd need, if we had the O4 red nozzle on our sprayer, we'd set the pressure on the sprayer up to 2.2 bar, and then we'd go and we'd actually check to see that we're getting the desired flow of 1.38 litres per minute. Okay.